pay with cash on DoorDash. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with cash on your DoorDash account. So first of all, just simply download the DoorDash application in your mobile device, and after that just simply open it and just log into your DoorDash account using your credentials. And once you're there in your DoorDash account, just simply select the food item that you would want to buy from your DoorDash account, and after that just simply put that product into your cart. From there, just go to your profile section from the top right corner of your screen and simply scroll down and just go to the payment settings option from your device. And after that, on the payment setting option, just simply scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you will be able to see the option called pay on delivery. Just simply enable the pay on delivery option for your DoorDash account, and after that, whenever you will purchase anything on your DoorDash account, you will be able to pay it cash while your order gets delivered to your doorstep. So this is basically how you will be able to pay with cash on DoorDash. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.